Let's talk about restaurant marketing ideas. Today I am going to share you about some best restaurant marketing ideas. My name is Amit and I am from India and I am a restaurant and chef consultant, and today my video is totally dedicated on restaurant marketing ideas. So first of all, my gratitude and thank you very much for watching myself on this YouTube channel, and my sincere gratitude to Seema, who she always shoot my videos and she tell me, sir, you make a video on this subject and share me and I'll publish on a YouTube platform. Okay, so first of all, let me introduce you myself. My name is Amit and we are a restaurant and chef consultant, and we also do software programming, website development for restaurants and digital marketing for restaurants. I'm like our consultancy come with digital marketing for the restaurants, menu planning, kitchen designing, staff training, and many more other services. A complete consultancy for restaurants after COVID-19. So today my video, again I'm coming back to the subject because a lot of people told me that Amit, you talk, I don't know, not on candid, you just talk here and there. So let me come back to the subject and let's talk about restaurant marketing ideas. What I can propose you should start doing it to make your restaurant visible on Google, and then of course getting more online orders and more customers at your restaurant. So what is the present scenario is, due to COVID-19, many people are not going out from their house, and due to this they are not visiting to the restaurants, and most of the orders coming from like this, Grab, Food Panda, Zomato, Swiggy and other platforms. So the question is for every restaurant owners is how I can increase my restaurant sales, at least cloud sale, cloud online orders and all. So I suggest these six things for you as a digital marketing strategy for your restaurant. And my first idea is, first of all, invest in your website. The first thing is that if you want more results from digital marketing, you should have your own website, at least a website which can show your menus and latest offers and promotion. That's it. No need for other all fancy things at your website. So your website should have the menus you are offering, the pictures of your restaurant, and latest offers and promotion about your restaurant, so that in case if you are offering some discount offer and promotion, people have a reason to visit you. The second thing is, which I suggest for your restaurant, is you should always hire a digital marketing executive, or you should learn also. It's so easy. If I can do it, you can also do it. I am a lallu. 10 years back when I started understanding this Google algorithm, and not 10 years back, I think 15 years back, yes, 15 years back, I'm a lallu. So I was thinking कि यार ये Google पे कैसे आता है ये, और ये कौन लोग हैं ये डिजिटल मार्केटर, सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्रामर, यार ये तो आज जोमेटो स्विगी बना रखा है इन्होंने, यार ये कैसे करते हैं ये सब, सारा बिजनेस तो अब तो मोबाइल से आएगा. And I start learning this Google algorithm and search engine optimization and search engine marketing, just not from any college, not from any courses, because they all cheat. They will provide you the same content which is available free of cost on Google, or maybe you have some mentor, your friend or something who can going to teach you and train you. That is also a good idea. In my case, I have one friend and who give me a lot of ideas. He was in US, he worked with Google, and presently he has started his own business in USA. So he helped me a lot understanding all this little bit about search engine, and then I invested my mind and wisdom, sense and time understanding what to do so that the website or video comes on the first page. So I use this very honestly to all those clients which associate with me, and I provide my restaurant consulting services. So second thing is that you need to learn digital marketing, or maybe you hire somebody nearby from your place, or you can also contact us. We provide our services across India and across world. So you hire somebody and you have a goal or strategy for your restaurant business. It is not like that you hire a digital marketer and just ask him कि अच्छा बाबा आप Facebook में post बना के डालो. It's not like that. You just create a post and put on social media. You need to be little strategically roadmap for your restaurant for marketing. So the third thing is monetize and use this platform, YouTube. Fantastic platform. Whatever you have in your mind, offers, promotions, some latest, you want to say to your customers, make a small video and put it on a website that's called hotelvideos.in. It's a beautiful website. You can go to this website and try. It's a good website. You can use that. And the fourth and fifth reason is keep the moral high and change your menus regularly. So these are some restaurant marketing ideas which we provide to our customers. We do Google and Facebook advertisement for them, search engine marketing for them, and we always look their menus to be changed. We make different food for them, so that different menus. Every time the customer coming to your place, he finds something happiness. He finds something new is happening at your place. Not just same menu, boring menu every time they come and see paneer butter masala. So you'd have something new for your customers. So we do that, and I'm so thankful to all those who has trusted us and give us the opportunity. At least for all those people who have given me the business first when I started this consulting business. Almost 7 years back I started this consulting business. And I'm so grateful and thank you for all those my clients who has given me the opportunity. And now we have regular many calls coming for restaurant marketing and consulting services. And for all those also, my sincere gratitude and thank you. And I hope my video is useful for you for looking for restaurant marketing ideas and strategies. You can always contact us, or if you have any questions in your mind, you can contact me on a WhatsApp. Let's be a friend and let's talk each other. Who is stopping us to talk 5 minutes on phone, on WhatsApp, and just say hello to each other? And maybe if I can give you any suggestions or anything, I can definitely give you. Thank you very much indeed for watching my video. I'm sure my video is useful for you, or anything I can do it to make your business up, let me know. Thank you very much. Namaste.